as Jamaica continues to navigate the increasing challenges posed by both natural and man-made disasters, we must commit ourselves to a pathway of resilience.
With that said, on Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the establishment of a Disaster Risk Management Review Committee, DRMRC. The team will provide the government with a more comprehensive assessment of the country's critical infrastructure in the face of natural disasters. These include water supply systems, electricity grids, telecommunication networks, transportation routes, medical services, and community preparedness.
These sectors are crucial in maintaining stability in times of crisis, and any failure in these areas can have widespread consequences. The Beryl experience highlighted the urgent need to enhance our resilience. This means that we must stand ready to respond swiftly and effectively to safeguard lives and livelihoods and our critical infrastructure.
According to Mr. Holness, the mandate of the committee includes a vulnerability assessment to ensure that critical infrastructures remain operational during a disaster. In addition, the committee will evaluate emergency services to ensure they are equipped to respond quickly and efficiently to crises. The body will also provide recommendations for improving national and local disaster risk response frameworks, ensuring better coordination between agencies.
The work of the DRMRC is not just about addressing the immediate risks posed by disasters, but about building a culture of resilience in Jamaica that prepares us for the future. The ultimate goal is to ensure that our infrastructure services and communities are equipped to handle any challenge, ensuring the continued safety and well-being of Jamaicans, and indeed the continuity of government in the face of any serious natural disaster challenge.
The Disaster Risk Management Review Committee is being led by Major General Anthony Anderson. The other members include Dr. Paris Liwayi Jr., Jonathan Brown, and Trudy Deans.
Together, this team brings a wealth of expertise and experience and will guide our efforts to build a more resilient Jamaica. We must now be comparing ourselves to what is likely to happen in the future and the gaps that we are seeing now.
As Jamaica continues its support for Haiti, a 24-member contingent is now in that country as part of a multinational security mission. The team left the island on September 12. As Minister of Defense, Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave notice of the decision.
To provide command, planning, and logistics support. The deployment is comprised of 20 JDF personnel and 4 JCF personnel to assist the Haitian state to achieve a reasonable level of security and facilitate the holding of elections.
Mr. Holness reminded of steps taken to get to this point. It included a fact-finding mission to Haiti by CARICOM in February 2023. This resulted in an agreement for Jamaica to host and train members of the Haiti National Police Force with the support of Canada. In May last year, CARICOM also appointed an Eminent Persons Group, EPG, to represent the community's facilitation of the government of Haiti and stakeholders. The EPG's first meeting with Haitian stakeholders was held in June 2023 in Jamaica. Representing CARICOM a month later, Prime Minister Holness reminded the UN Security Council of the urgent need to pass a resolution giving effect to the multinational security mission. This was passed in October 2023. Fast forward to March 2024, and with support of the United States and Canada, training began for CARICOM security forces to be deployed as part of the multinational security mission to Haiti.
I wish to thank the members of the security forces who will be deploying to Haiti, and I wish them well, and obviously we pray for their safety and security. I also want to acknowledge the support of our international partners, the US and Canada in particular, and the work of CARICOM in supporting the process in Haiti.
According to Mr. Holness, Jamaica has a national security interest in the situation in Haiti, with it being one of our closest neighbors. He asserts that this is in our best interest to support a long-lasting resolution to the problems in Haiti.
The security forces continue in a state of readiness to support further deployment towards our overall commitment as the mission in Haiti is scaled up. Jamaica has close fraternal ties to the people of Haiti, and we stand in solidarity with them.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.